Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, I'm gonna talk about witch hazel. Witch hazel water is one of the most popular herb extract that you can purchase in the stores, especially in US. Witch hazel has been used for hundreds of years by Native Americans. It helped them to treat the minor cuts, bruise, and hemorrhoids problems. Witch hazel extract help to treat skin problems like acne, eczema, and because of its astringent and antiseptic properties. There are a lot of positive feedbacks of those people, especially having the oily skin, and help use witch hazel to help treat the breakouts and do the oil control. Witch hazel water normally contains 14% alcohol because alcohol can help strip off the oil so easily, and it can cause more oil released. It's into a bad cycle. So you need to choose alcohol-free witch hazel toner. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to make an alcohol-free witch hazel toner by doing the steam distillation with witch hazel leaves or twigs. Commercialization of witch hazel water can trace back to the 1840s. At the time, Sarah Pond worked with an Indian person who taught him how to extract the witch hazel, and they commercialized it with the name of a golden treasure. So they started with boiling the witch hazel leaf and the branches in the water and make a tea, but that's a brown color, dark brown color. And later on, they upgraded it into the steam distillation. Then it's become the colorless, the clear water, the witch hazel toner as you can see on the market. So from that time, the witch hazel toner has been made by the steam distillation. And they added the alcohol to help to preserve it, and it also help people have a better feeling because alcohol can make a cool feeling with the use on the skin. And in the 1860s, Thomas Dickinson, they built the largest steam distillation plant to make the witch hazel toner. And the Dickinson witch hazel toner continues their business all the way today from the East Hampton, Connecticut. Now I will demonstrate you how to make an alcohol-free witch hazel toner by doing the steam distillation. We can use either fresh or dry, the leaves or twigs. I'm using the dry witch hazel leaf for the steam distillation. So I purchased online. It's not easy to find a witch hazel today, but I got a couple vendors. I'm gonna try this one. It's pretty dry, so we still want to crush a little bit. There are some, most of them are the leaves, the little twigs. Twigs are actually not bad. In the witch hazel, we can use the leaf, the branch, the small branches for the distillation. You can also use a fresh leaf, but you want to tear it or cut it into small pieces. I'm using the KD5. This is perfect for the hydrosol making. Steam distillation is easy to control, so you don't worry about the water and the herb ratio. You only just manage how much hydrosol you make. For this, the 1 cup, normally we make 500 milliliter. So after filled up, put the other seed plate on top and just twist the lid on, and the steamer is ready. KD5 is pretty straightforward. Has a pot. I already have the filtered water in there. You can fill all the way up to the max level every time, so you don't worry about how much water you use. Avoid the dry cook. And then the condenser is just plug in the steamer and just twist on and just plug it. We're ready to go. After you start the distillation, add the ice cube, cold water here, And then we can collect the hydrosol. With time, when the water in the condenser getting hot, just scoop up the hot water and replace with ice cubes and cold water. The witch hazel toner, it can be used as a skin spray or hair spray. It helps the frizzy hair and help control the oil. It's perfect for the oily or the combined oily skin. But if you have a dry skin, so you gotta limit the use of witch hazel because it may cause more dry skin. And also, witch hazel water is normally for the topical use. It's not recommended for internal use. When we use the witch hazel water, so you can mix with vinegar, helps the cleaning or remove the makeup, or mix with lavender or rose water as a toner after clean the face, or you can mix with ginger water for hair spray, or mix with the aloe vera, for face spray. There are a lot of ways to use the witch hazel water to bring in your routine skincare. Thank you for watching. Please let me know how you use witch hazel and what benefits you got from the witch hazel toner. And this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. See you next time.